I'm just going to dive into Canva because Canva Create 2025 has introduced at least 40 new amazing features. And to access them, I'm going to show you how, but you have to be in the first 1 million people. I hope I can still get in, so fingers crossed, and let's see what happens. To access the new features, what you have to do is click on these envelopes. And they open up for you. And I made it. I'm within the 1 million people. Let's go, and we'll start to take a look. Now, obviously, I haven't looked at this before because I wanted you to be able to see it as well. And you're probably missing the music that's in the background. It's probably not recording. Now, let's see what it looks like now. This is very exciting. And there are lots of new things here. There's a Canva Sheet, which is like a spreadsheet, so like an Excel, if you know Excel. There's new Canva AI. I just wanted to show you this before I go on to anything else and show you the actual new features because you need to be able to get access. I'm going to go now and post this and hope you'll be one of the first 1 million people too.